Hello students, in this video we are going to learn about lesson 4 the land of dense forest DRC. DRC means Democratic Republic of Congo. This DRC country located in the African continent. The equator passes through the northern DRC. This DRC called as Belgium Congo before 1960 because it was ruled by Belgium. After that, in 1971, its name was changed into Zaire. Again, in 1997, its name was changed into DRC, the Democratic Republic of Congo. Its capital is Kinshasa. The relief of DRC. The landscape of the country is dominated by the Gango River. Gango River flows into this region. This Gango River is the second longest river in Africa and seventh longest river in the world. There are high mountains in the eastern edges of DRC and plateaus in south and southwest. The climate of DRC. Most parts of the DRC is very hot throughout year because it's near the equator. The rapid evaporation of water due to the high temperature during the day. It leads to high levels of humidity. This causes clouds to build up and heavy rains occur by afternoon. This happens almost every day. So this making the region one of the wettest in the world. In some parts of DRC, especially in the south, it does not rain so much. While the summer is hot and wet, the winter is cool and dry. The vegetation of DRC. The hot and humid climate of the DRC is ideal for the growth of dense forest, so it is called tropical rainforest. This forest evergreen forest throughout the year. There are a large variety of trees and other plants also. The trees are tall and form a canopy of leaves at the top. In some parts of the DRC, mostly in the south, where the climate is not so hot and wet, so the vegetation is different. Instead of dense forest, there are grasslands with a few scattered trees. Such open grasslands are called savanna. Did you know, children? The Gango rainforest is the second largest in the world. The wildlife of DRC. A large variety of wildlife is found in the forests and savannas of the DRC, like elephants, buffaloes, gorillas, lion, giraffes, rhinoceros, etc. Plenty of crocodiles found in the river. There are many types of birds and insects in the forest. The Gango African grey parrot is one of the most intelligent birds here. The rarely seen pygmy hippopotamus lives in the western parts of the rainforest. Next, natural resources of DRC. DRC has rich natural resources. There are vast deposits of copper, cobalt, gold, uranium and diamond in southern DRC. It has the world's largest deposits of cobalt. DRC has one of the best forest resources in Africa. Dams are built on the rivers to produce electricity. Agriculture. Farming is done in large areas from where forests have been cleared. The major food crops are grown: cassava, maize, and rice. Coffee, cocoa, rubber, and cotton also grown here. Most of the crops are exported from here. The people of DRC. How the people are? DRC is thinly populated. Most people live in villages in the highlands in the east and along the river. Only about 30% of people lives in cities. Villagers live in thatched huts in separate tribes or groups, each having its own costumes. There are about 200 tribes in the DRC. The most well known inhabitants of the DRC are Pygmies. Long ago, Pygmies probably lived throughout the DRC and other parts of Central Africa. But now they are few in number, living only certain parts of the rainforest. The pygmies are short in height. They get their food by hunting animals and gathering plant foods. They live in camps. They make huts out of branches and leaves. Since the weather is hot and humid, the tribal people do not wear any clothes. But they have special occasions. They wear colorful costumes and they like to enjoy with singing, dancing, and telling stories. Transport of DRC. Rail and road connect cities with each other, but land transport is not so well developed. Water transport over the river Gango and other river is the major means of transport. Thank you.